members
Wolfie.
as more young people were attracted to Manson and the media spectacle. Even with their leader on death row, true believers on the outside remained fiercely loyal to Manson. Their continued devotion to a crazed murderer only fueled Manson's mystique.
He's too tired.
The hardcore believers were desperate to free their leader. Several family members were arrested while attempting to rob a gun shop.
Move it, move it.
It was rumored to be the first step in a plot to hijack a plane. and
What's
train
that?
the
You got the
Manson's
remote. The one thing you've
Catherine
always
Sher took
wanted.
part in
Let
the
me
box
see it.
robbery that turned into a shootout with
Wolfie,
police.
let me see it.
She denies knowing about a plan to
Let me,
hide
can I see it? Come on. Wolfie, look. There's another remote. Look at this. Which one's that? That one's cool. Why don't you go get that one?
I was in a shootout with the police. That was a big deal. That I did. I was sitting in a car waiting for them to come out. I got shot in the shoulder. And then I went to prison.
Oh, you got it.
It's a bad place to be put into.
Yes, indeed.
Most
Look
people
at that. It doesn't rattle.
I'm
Nope.
just extremely blessed
It doesn't rattle.
to have a life like this. Most people don't make it out.
There may never be a final tally. People fall and prey to Manson
Wolfie.
and his deranged ideology.
Wolfie.
His ability to detect weaknesses and fears in people.
Go get it.
Those weaknesses and fears, in my opinion, is a genius.
Nope, that's not for eating. Yucky.
Why people are frightened
Oh.
with Manson, since the other people who so far is exponential.
Oh, you got mad because mommy took it away. How about this? Do you want mommy's water bottle?
Be brainwashed by someone like Charles Manson.
Come get it.
A lot of people feel that I would never have gone for that. I'm too smart for that. But it wasn't just some crazed out acid heads. It was people from all stratospheres. It was college kids and middle class kids. So it was a lot of different people from different backgrounds.
That's not how you drink out of a water bottle.
In his 70s, behind bars, but he retains some of his power. He continues to attract and manipulate the desperate and naive. He serves as an icon for hate groups and receives more letters than any other.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did mommy move it out of the way? Did mommy move it farther for you?
Manson.
Oh, you're tired. It's almost time for a nap. Come on. Wow, did you just sit up? Oh.
Wait a minute.
Not just to brainwash people, but to spot weaknesses in them that led them to carry out Manson's evil intentions was the quality that places him in a special category of evil. For almost 4
I'm coming to
decades,
mommy.
Manson has been confined to his jail cell, an icon for those with a grudge against society. This is why Manson continues to terrify us. This is what makes him most evil.
Careful. What are you doing? Where are you going? Oh, did you want to come to mommy? It's okay. Come here. Oh, you're sleepy. It's time for a nap.
They are plagued by distorted perceptions, driven by false beliefs. How do delusions motivate those considered most evil? A scale exists to measure the darkest
Hi.
forms of human behavior. It weighs the criminal mind and the crime. From impulsive murderers to serial killers. This 22-point scale attempts to determine who are the most evil. killers who are controlled by